today I'm here. I just got my nails done. I've been sick for the past for the past week. Since Monday I had like a cough, a cold, runny nose. The only thing that wasn't hurting was my throat, which I'm thankful for. But yeah, and it's because I slept with the AC. Like, it's winter now. It's basically winter, and I'm sleeping with the AC. But yeah, I learned my lesson. I've been sick for a couple days, but I'm feeling much better now. So I went out to run some errands. I had to get my nails done. If you guys can see, this is what it's looking like. And yeah, I'm back home with Kai because he's by my mom, so I went to pick him up and I'm back home. But you guys, I have a package, and it's not just a regular package. I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. I love how the sun is hitting. I hate that it's starting to get dark because the sun is basically about to set right now. Oh my god, my sister is the best. So if you guys may or may not know, I used to live in Canada, right? I lived in Canada for 4 years, and yeah. So I'm in love with ketchup chips, and my sister from Canada, she sent me a little note. My sis sent me my chips. Oh my god, Tika, I love you, girl. Oh my god, I'm about to have a feast with her. So she sent me 3 big bags of chips. Tika, you're the best. My lips are dry. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Kai. Here, I'm gonna turn off Mickey. Open. Open, baby. Come. You have to eat. Kai, you have to eat. You have to eat. Kai. Oh, it's not funny. It's not funny, baby. Kai. Hey, you guys, I look a little nuts. I look moisturized though, that's all that matters. But it's ouch. But yeah, we are relaxing tonight. It's just us. I just woke up Kai, but I didn't wake him up. I was low-key in his face with my camera because he was sleeping with his mouth wide open. And then yeah, he woke up. I tried to feed him sweet potatoes, and for some reason he his mouth was like this the whole time. I don't know why. He usually likes sweet potatoes. I guess he's just not in the mood. So I fed him a bottle, and he's gonna go to sleep maybe in like 10 minutes, and I'm just here. Today was a shopping day, as you guys seen earlier. Daddy took me shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got in an unboxing, not a video, but after this clip I'm gonna unbox what I got today, and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, for right now we're just relaxing, like I said. Comment down below if my baby looks like me, because I'm hearing mixed reviews. Some people say he looks like his dad, and I'm just like, where? How? I feel like he has my nose. The only thing he may have is his dad's eyes. Where you going? But yeah, this baby is my twin, okay? I just wanted to come on here to do a quick unboxing from what I got yesterday. Yeah, let's get right into it. Wait, is it upside down? Yeah, it is. Dior comes with 2 dust bags and extra laces, so you guys may know what it is. And then let's unleash this bad boy. It comes with the card. Okay, are you guys ready? It's the details for me, honestly. Like, this boot is too cute. Ooh. Too cute. So it's monogram prints. I'm going to have the details down below, like the actual name of this boot, because I don't know what it is. When I first saw this boot, it caught my eye because of the monogram detail, and it's like, it's not doing too much, but it's still doing a lot, if you know what I mean. In the back, it says CD with the little spider, whatever insect they got going on. The size says Christian Dior Paris. And yeah, I'm loving it. This is a 38. It slipped right on. I didn't have to like unlace anything, and it fit perfectly. And I do have a little space, and then they have the little star in the bottom, which is really cute. I love a classic black boot, so I do have the Louis Vuitton combat boots. I'm not really sure the name. I don't know the names of these things honestly, but I have the Louis Vuitton black boots that I got like 2 winters ago, so I definitely needed something new. So yeah, this is like a classic black boot. I am so excited to wear these. I don't know how I'm going to style them yet, but just know. So yeah, these are super cute. My man really liked them. He said they're so dope. He hasn't seen anybody with them yet, so that's why I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna get them, and I'm gonna have to freaking body them. The only thing for me that I'm just kind of iffy about is it kind of looks like a rain boot to me. I don't know. It is rubber material, but it's not like I can't wear it on like a regular cold day. But I don't know, guys. I just don't know. Yeah, like I said, I'm very indecisive, and one minute I was feeling it. I was like, yes, I love these, I'm gonna get them. And the next minute I'm like, I don't know. And then it's kind of like a little sock thing. It can't come out, but it's like, so you can get that suction, like it sucks in your foot. So yeah, these are my new purchases from Dior, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I just love little details like this. Like, you can't tell it's designer unless you're close, unless you're really looking, and that's what I love. I just think like all the little details are really dope. I love it. Hey you guys, so it's Saturday, and I just finished filming a video, my current baby faves video, so it should be up before this. So if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. So yeah, it's 2:12 and it's dark outside because it's raining, and I'm just like, I hate rain. So I think later we're going bowling tonight. So yeah, I had beat my face. I had did my face for the video, and I might as well just keep the makeup on, right? I just have to do my hair. But now that it's raining, once I go outside, my hair is gonna turn into an afro, seriously. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on what was happening, and I'll see you later when we're bowling. What is that called? A sweet? A what? Huh?
How much you want to bet I get a strike right now? How much you want to bet?
Nigga said a strike. I thought you said it was something else. Nigga said a stream.
I said a spare. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. Oh, son!
This used to be my favorite. We gotta play this.
Go!
29, damn. I need to get more. Alright, this is a shooting game. Look who's ready for Disney on Ice. Look at the shoes. So cute, Kai.
Yeah, Kai, your clothes got my shit on empty.
We're late, guys. This is really bad.
Princess Jasmine, you don't want to get out of the palace. See the world? It'd be wonderful.
My date. Why are you pulling my hair? Oh. Look at him. Look at my hair.
Kai. Kai. Guys, chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out, boy.
You want to try one? You don't?
Hey. Look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Kai Kai. Kai Kai, stinky boy. That was cute. Hi, Stinky. Good morning, Stinky baby. Good morning, baby. Hey, you guys. So it's Monday and I'm editing my vlog and I forgot to close it out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll be back with another one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do all the things, okay? And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.